Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by my last video, I've been having the munchies for something sweet. So today I made up a pretty much a basic with a few touches of my own vanilla pound cake recipe. And what you would need is 2 sticks of butter. You want to make sure that's melted at room temperature, or either if it's right out of the refrigerator, you can nuke it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You want 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can leave this out, but I want the cake to be very moist. You want 2 cups of flour, 1½ cups of sugar. You want 4 eggs, because I want it very fluffy. You want 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You want 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and you want to also preheat your oven at 350. This is going to cook for about 50 minutes to an hour, because we're doing it in a loaf pan this time, so it's pretty thick mixture. So as you know, we want to use our Baker's Joy, just like we did on the last cake, which turned out beautiful. It didn't stick or anything coming out, and we want to use our loaf pan this time. I've been using this loaf pan a lot, so it's really got some wear and tear. I need to get a new one. Okay, you guys, so we're going to start mixing, and what we're going to do, our butter here and our eggs, we're going to actually hand mix that with actually a hand mixer in this bowl here separately, and then we will add it to our dry ingredients. So go ahead, add your dry ingredients into your mixing bowl, and then we will add the butter mixture into this mixture, okay? But I'm going to show you in steps. Okay, so we've put all the dry ingredients in here: our flour, sugar, our salt, our baking powder, and let me make sure I didn't leave anything out. I think that's it. And then here we have our wet ingredients. I promise you this is not scrambled eggs. It's the butter. It's just not melted to the point to where it was hot, because you don't want to mix that with the eggs, but it's the butter just broke up in there. But we're going to add this mixture into here. But we wanted to mix separately our eggs, our butter, our vanilla, and what else did we have wet? Vanilla, eggs. I believe that's it as far as the, oh, and our vegetable oil. We added a little bit of vegetable oil in here. And you guys, if you just want to do like maybe just a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil, you can. Like I said, you can leave that step out because it is a lot of butter. Okay, so now I'm going to mix my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients, and then I'm going to use my hand mixer here and beat it all up until it's nice and smooth. Okay, this is our mixture here. It's looking good. Now we're going to add it into our loaf pan. Okay, you guys, so I mixed it. It's a little thick mixture. Not really thick, but when you put it in there, you want to make sure you smooth it out with a spoon. Now we're going to place it in the oven. I'm going to check it at 50 minutes, and we don't want to bake no more than 1 hour. Okay guys, I'm back. I pulled my cake out. I let it cool. It's nice and cool. Well, it's a little warm, but I like it like that. Look at the texture of this. This is awesome. Wow. I haven't even eaten it yet, and I am like excited. I just know it's going to be good. You know, it did cook like exactly for 1 hour. So it takes a while, but let's see if it's worth it. Ooh, it feels nice and moist, little crunchy on the outside. I love that in a fresh pound cake. This is good. Yeah, this is a must try. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Better than the store-bought cake by far. And you see the ingredients. It wasn't many ingredients. You already have those ingredients, most of you bakers at home. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.